All right, Miss Christine here with another short video tutorial on Mary Had a Little Lamb black keys. So let's jump right into it. So we're going to be working with the 3 black keys right here. This is our hand position, and just to go over our finger numbers, ring finger is number 4, middle finger number 3, index finger number 2, okay? And so that's what we're working with for Mary Had a Little Lamb black keys. All right, we're going to start with the right hand. 1, 2, follow me. 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, rest. 3, 3, 3, rest. 4, 4, 4, rest. Okay, so that's how you play the right hand. Now let's move to the left hand. 1, 2, follow me. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4. And as you can see, this is a whole note. And if you need a refresher on whole notes and whole rest, see the link above. And of course, if you need a refresher on all of these quarter notes that you're playing, see the link above to review quarter notes and quarter rest. I'm going to assume you know this already. So now let's put both hands together. Here we go. 1, 2, follow me. Mary had a little lamb, rest. Little lamb, rest. Little lamb, rest. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. Excellent work. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If not, go back and review, and I'll see you in the classroom. Practice.